Johanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another gift idea with you guys, and it is a variation of yesterday's tutorial, which was a one sheet no-sew notebook. And today's tutorial is using a very similar technique to create an accordion album. So this idea is so simple and fast to make, but gives a really nice result. And you can give this gift as a finished album with photos inside, or you can give it as a blank album. And it just is such a cool little book to have out in your hand. It could be like a little brag book you could carry with you, or you could give to Nana to carry with her and fill it up with baby photos. The options are endless, and the result is so nice and so professional looking. So if you would like to know how to make this book, just keep watching. So the first thing you're going to do is take your card or paper and you're going to fold it in half lengthways, just like we did with the one sheet notebook. Then you're going to take your scissors or paper trimmer and cut it down so that you have two sheets. And this is just a really easy way to divide the sheet in half. So you could just straight away go ahead and cut your card in half, but I thought that folding and then using scissors is a really easy way to get it cut in half without any special tools. And then you want to take one of the sheets and you want to do those W or M folds. So you fold it in half and then you fold the sides back onto themselves to create like a little zigzag fold. So I'm doing that with 4 of the panels, but you can add as many sheets as you want to make the book as big as you want. And then all we're going to do is glue those zigzags together to create the accordion. So I'm just taking my glue and I'm gluing one side of each little zigzag onto the other. If you wanted to, you could attach these in a way that creates little tuck pockets, and you could make them a little bit more detailed and a little bit more interactive. But to keep it super simple, I just glued each zigzag together as you can see here. And again, you can make this as long or as short as you want. And you can see in the end, you end up with an album that folds out like an accordion. So it stretches out and it comes back in, and you've got plenty of little spots to add photos or pockets or envelopes or whatever else you like. So that's really the basics of this tutorial. As you can see, it's so quick and so easy. And all I'm going to do now is just decorate the front and back cover with some scrapbook paper to make it look a little bit more finished. I decided to make this album super basic so you can see how quick this is to make, and you could give this as a gift blank if you want to, for a creative friend to fill up with their own photos. Or you could go ahead and you could add some special photos or some little notes and pockets and make it as creative as you want. So there you can see the finished product. As I said, this is just such a cute and easy gift to make that has a really nice finished result. And you can experiment with different sizes and patterns and really get creative with this technique to make it as detailed as you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.